Oh, look at the line. The research, guys, it's gonna explode. Okay. Solved it. Oh, look at this. Oh, we've already done all the research. Okay, technologies. This is the planetary view. So it's, well, this planet. So this is my factory. Check this line. Okay. But now you can actually zoom out and check our solar system. So in our solar system, we're actually on a moon, and this is the planet. We'll be mining hydrogen here and collectible fire ice. Now there's other planets. We can get titanium and silicon here. It's what we don't have on our own planet. Now the day is coming. We're gonna go and check how our factory looks like. And what I'm also interested in is in how our production of steel plates is going. Not steel plates. Okay, so this looks good. Now we should definitely upgrade this conveyor belt, in my opinion. These are fast ones. Yeah, we should probably upgrade the conveyor belt speed, because I'm not exactly sure if these are actually even, you know, this. Okay, let's take it. This is again filling up. Awesome, but we definitely need to have a faster conveyor belt. I mean, I could make a splitter here and la la la, but I want to have a storage. Anyway, let's go fly over our awesome creation. So everything is working as planned, or even better. Look at the research. So we could produce more of the red ones using hydrogen. Oh, wait a second. Welcome everybody to the Dyson Sphere Program, a game that was actually just released on Steam, I don't know, a couple of hours ago, and where we are gonna build the most efficient intergalactic factory in space. We're gonna harness the power of stars, collect resources, plan and design production lines, and develop your our interstellar factory from a small space workshop to a galaxy-wide industrial empire. In short, this game is like Factorio meets Satisfactory, and howdy there's a sale. And we're gonna jump right into it. It's developed by a Chinese studio, Youth Cat Studio, and publisher is Gamera Game. So we're gonna go and check it out. But yeah, it should be great. It's in alpha 0.4 stage, I think. 0.6. Here's the update log. Also, if there's any kind of sounds, any sounds, if they are too loud, let me know. I didn't have that time to set things up. So, update log, well, I haven't seen the roadmap for the game, but there probably is one. But anyway, let's go and check this game out. Oh boy, I'm so excited. Let's go with a new game. So, This is actually, well, it's not a galaxy, but it's a cluster of planets. As far as I know, it's procedurally generated, which means replayability of this game should be high. We'll go with 64 number of stars. What else? Resource multiplier, we'll keep it at 1. We won't be messing around with the cluster seed. But yeah, all in all of these are planets, different types of stars, B-type, F-type, and we'll be moving resources amongst those stars, between those stars as well, so that should get quite interesting. Let me just check on a few things real quick, so we don't need these. The problem with the games that I actually start streaming for the first time is I have to keep an eye on the performance. Sometimes things lag and you have to put in, change a few settings in game. But okay, let's go. Now let's see. Oh, this is our spaceship.
Welcome to the actual universe.
Ooh.
You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
Thank you very much. Oh, look at the sun. Oh, my ass is on fire. Let's see where this thing will... Do we have to steer this ship?
Everything here is yours.
Oh.
As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere Program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
Victorious 4. Oh, pardon me. Give me a second. Alright then, so we have to drive this thing. Ooh. Ooh. Shift, holding shift, space, control. So, we're gonna land on a planet.
Now you are about to reach the designated planet.
Oh! Ah, okay, we're orbiting. I got worried we're gonna crash. Alrighty. Oh, I can already see the resources. So, we'll probably need iron, copper, maybe coal from the start. We'll see, we'll find out. The Eagle has landed, boys.
This is Icarus,
Icarus,
a lightweight industrial mecha with powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement. In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
Miracles? Oh, alright
Now
then.
try to recycle the space capsule. Right-click on it to recycle. You can use the same operation to collect resources, such as trees, gravel, etc. In the meantime,
Shift and
hold
right
down
to give a
Shift
series
and
of
right
command. Ah,
to
okay.
give a series of commands.
Copper, magnet, iron,
You
and
receive
hydrogen.
several items after recycling the space capsule. Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
Okay. So this is what's in our pockets. Take items, split items, take multiple items, with shift control, take all the items of the same type. Aha!
You can hold down mouse middle button drag to rotate the angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
You can hold down mouse middle button, tra-la-la. Ooh. Okay. We'll probably have to cut down a few trees. Ooh, logs! Okay, awesome. So, This is the power that the mech has. I'm not sure what happens if you run out of power, but I think
you have
nothing
not unlocked the
bad.
construction menu, which will be done automatically when completing any technology research. Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen to open the technology tree and activate a research.
Ooh, the research tree. Check this out, boys. It's quite a large one. But there's two types of upgrades, research trees. So we have technologies, new thingies, and upgrades of the existing technologies, I guess. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff. So, current upgrade data, new tutorial background. Okay. Electromagnetism. So, we're gonna unlock wind turbines, Tesla towers, and mining machines. Ooh boy, this is already a Factorio thingy. So the primary power facility can convert wind energy into electrical energy. The actual generation capacity is related to the planet's wind energy ratio. Ooh. Tesla tower can extend the power supply range of the power grid with a certain connection length and supply area. Okay. And these are the miners. The more veins covered by the mining machine, the faster the mining speed, and the same vein can be covered by multiple mining rings. But the more mining rings covered, the faster the consumption. Oh, so we actually ran out of resources. Okay, I guess we're gonna activate this one. Use inventory item. Research with the item carried by the mecha. When it's on, items will be added to the research panel first. Wait a second. Research with items carried by... Oh, so we probably have to produce them like, I don't know. The robot has to produce them. When it's on, items will be added to the research panel first. Okay. How can we exit that screen? Aha! So, what's the plan? Background. What is the Dyson Sphere? I hope everybody knows that. It's actually harnessing the power of a star. Basic operation guides. Alrighty then. Close this. So let's go and check where we've actually landed, because we'll probably need more than just iron resources, right? 240. Alrighty, 240,000. Can we move underwater? Oh, we can fly over the water. Ooh. Okay, so let's see. This is stone vein. 561k. Aha, there we are. This is gonna be a proper spot for us to build a to start building our factory up. We're talking about iron veins, 2 iron veins, copper veins, and coal vein. So let's start clearing this up. Then we're gonna figure out how we can actually start and produce first things. I'll just give him something to work at. Oh, instruction list is full. Alrighty then, let's go through the menus. So, Pictoris 4. This is probably... Is this the mini-map? Ooh, star map. Polar day. To open the star map. So this is where we're actually at right now. So this is a solar system. 2 more planets, actually 3 planets in this solar system, but these are then the stars. Ooh, and we're gonna be moving resources from planet to planet. It's actually turning. We're gonna be moving resources from planet to planet, making production lines the same way, or at least probably close to how Factorio is done. Oh boy, this is gonna be awesome. North lock. Alrighty. Follow rotation. Following off. Ooh, this can grow pretty freaking large. Okay, how can I turn north? So that's it. Where the heck was I here? Let's clear a few more things out. We probably have to start mining things. Let's grab a few of these rocks. Okay, let's go through other menus. So, first...
Energy is required in all mecha activities. If it is depleted, the activities will be restricted. You can click the mecha panel button at the bottom right of the screen to open the mecha panel and resupply fuel into the fuel chamber.
So, we can put wood inside here and it's gonna create energy for us. You'll see this start ticking up. So, details display. Space navigation, power grid, building warnings, building icons. Let's go and start mining. Inventory, fine. Replicator is where we actually build things. So, magnetic coil, we need to produce 10 magnetic coils so we can finish that research. Now for magnetic coils we need magnet, which is produced out of iron ore, okay, and copper plates. So we are actually mining iron. We need 10. So now our make is actually producing them. This should be sufficient for the research to start. Yeah, let's turn down audio. Sound effects, let's say down to 82. Ambient sound will leave as it is. Now, I've seen a bit of a bug here. I've restarted the game, but let's check if it's still there. Okay, this was in Chinese, guys. All of this was Chinese. Even though I selected the English language. Got me a bit worried. So blah blah blah. And resupply fuel into the fuel chamber. Insufficient. So we can throw in leaves, we can throw in other stuff. We could actually probably plop in this plant fuel as well. Ooh, so electromagnetism is researched. You have unlocked a new automatic mining machine, which will automatically collect ores for you. Is it still too loud? Settings, gameplay, audio, on effects. Apply. Let's go and mine some copper.
To achieve ore collecting automation. Pick it up from the inventory, or select it on Gathering of Construction menu to build it.
Alright then. Power, gathering. Aha! So, mining machine. Well, let's build our first mining machine.
You can use the R key to rotate the mining machine for covering more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered.
Yeah.
If you want to ignore grid snapping, try holding down the shift key.
Ooh boy. Okay, let's build one here. Now we have to get power. Power to the people. So a Tesla tower. Oops. What about the power plant? Didn't we research? So the replicator is where we actually build stuff up. Fine. This is the make. Statistics. We'll dive into the statistics later on. For now we actually have to research something new. Base logistics systems, I guess that's the right one to go. So we need 10. Conveyor belts and sorters. And storages. So, upgrades. Universe exploration unlocked. Able to view the veins distribution on the planet. Research consumption. Data volume. The first step, blah blah. So, we need, what's this? One of the 5 basic source codes that keeps the center brain simulating. Is the foundation of all scientific and technological research. We probably have to put down a research center for that. Unlocked. Ah, more energy. Oh, this one's cheap. 2020. So let's queue that one up. So technologies. Can we produce 10? No, we need copper for that. Alright then. Okay, so wind turbine. Let's plop down a wind turbine. Let's put it down there. Lack of item.
Wind turbine. You have established your first power grid. Not all power facilities has its power supply area. Use the Tesla Tower to extend the area of the power grid.
Oh. Okay, Tesla Tower. So this one's not in range. Okay, Tesla Tower. We're gonna plop the Tesla Tower, let's say... Oh, we can plop it here. We can plop it here. Let's hope this one will work. Because I do plan to build another mine on the other side.
You have done building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short-distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
Where's the power grid information? Click on it to view the current power grid. So... Power load 8%, strength 100. We are generating 300 kilowatts. 24 is demanded. Generation, consumption, discharge. Oh, there's also a discharge. Oh boy. Talking about lightnings. Alrighty, so we have our mining ops set up for... for iron ore. Now we're gonna establish it for the copper ore. So we are burning stuff up. Alright then. Let's go, and not enough items. What do we need for that? Ooh boy. So I wish it would tell. Seems like iron, and okay, copper as well. We do have a nice amount of iron. So let's start gathering some copper. Double click to open replicator. Ah, okay. So 4 of these. Circuit boards, magnetic coils, and these. We want to produce 1. So it automatically produces the parts that are needed for the factory, or actually for the miner. Okay, let's place it down then. How can you turn this? Oh boy, rotate building, R. Okay, we'll place it here. We'll place down in turbine. Actually, might be a better idea if you plop down a bunch of Tesla coils and connect this. Yeah, that's what. Not enough items. We only need... we need copper as well. Now, is there... Can we get... Shift copy. Does this building store anything? Ah, okay, 50. Let's mine a few more of these things. I'll produce 5. Then we're gonna hook up the power. Take multiple items of the same type. Take all items of the same type. Ah, of course. Ah, nice. Number 5 down there. So let's hook this up then. Oh, it even has its own small little drone. Check this out. Okay, this should do it. Whoop. So we now have a copper mining set up. Now if you click... No. With construction. Hold on. I'm not exactly sure if you can actually just get close to the factory and click, right click or whatever to take the resources out. Okay, so we have to go and research this now. So let's say circuit boards and gear. Circuit boards and gear. We need 10. And we need 10 gears. We are now using 48 kilowatts of power. Alrighty. Click to view upgrade researches. What do we need for these? Just plates. 20. Okay, we're gonna produce 20 each. Oh, 10 is max. Okay. So we should start the research up. Start up the research and take multiple items of the same type. So shift and left click. No, that's not it. Drilling mining machine and veins coverage. Power grid establishment, we've done that. We should produce gears now, right? No, we already did. So research should... actually, it is going. So we are researching. The next thing we're gonna be upgrading our mech. Basic logistic systems. So we now have conveyor belts. We now have sorters, transport cargo from conveyor belts into facilities or between facilities. We can install filter to filter the cargo. Alrighty then. And a storage. Sounds awesome. So what's gonna be the next thing that we're gonna research?
You have received the sorter and the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation now.
Ooh.
Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine, and the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic smelting.
Use the conveyor belt to transport the ores, yeah. And the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter. Alrighty then. So what's gonna be our next research? Probably automatic metallurgy, right? Yeah, we're talking about smelters and glass here. So we need... Ooh, max core energy went up. Awesome. So we need 10 magnetic coils and 10 circuit boards. 10 and 10. We do have the resources. That's great. Let's see about upgrades. Mechanical frame, inventory capacity, communication control, energy circuit, drone engine, drive engine. What do we need for this? Well, probably we have to get the research center, as I said before. So mechanical frame, electric motors, we cannot do that. Probably this one is gonna be the easy one. So steel. Ooh, 120. Ooh, boy, this is getting costly now. I guess we'll have to set up our factory first. So let's wait for the research. Let's see if we have enough power. Let's burn a few more biofuel. And in the meantime, I'm gonna clear this area out. Ooh, nice. So we can now produce glass and a smelter. We're gonna do it right away. Probably smelter needs the coal. I'm pretty sure about that. We're gonna clear this area out. Oh, crap. Oopsie. I definitely shouldn't move the mic around. So, production. This is the first production building. We have a storage. Logistics. Gathering. Yeah, let's clear the area out first. Because we would definitely want to have a huge factory going on later on. Oh man, but I must admit the game is awesome. Up until now, so we're talking half an hour, the game looks definitely awesome. Definitely. We'll see if we encounter any bugs, but I think at least the framework of the game is great. Alright then, let's set up our first smelter. So, construction mode. So where are we gonna put this smelter down? We're gonna put it down collide with other objects.
You built a smelter, which can smelt basic materials, such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically. While you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously, you need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
Okay. We are first gonna extend the power. This should do. Please select a recipe. Alright then. So, the recipe, all we need to do... Oh, this is stone. Iron. So, all we need to do is plop iron in. Can we move a building? Guess not. Mental facility. Because let's say I just build a few smelters in this area. We'll leave this one for now. We'll build a few smelters. Let's say we'll put them like this. Oh crap. Dismantle. I want to put down 2. So is this in line? This is in line. Okay, now let's build a conveyor belt. It's gonna go out from
When putting a conveyor belt, all you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point. In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up 1 level, and use the down arrow key to drop down 1 level after the conveyor belt is lifted. Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you don't want the conveyor belt to be attached to the building, you can try holding down the shift key.
Interesting. So let's get this conveyor belt collide with the other object. You can tra-la-la. Okay, let's try this. Oh. What's wrong here? We need to select the recipes. Okay. Produce iron plates, iron ingots. Okay. Now what's wrong here? Is this
After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
Okay. Shift copy. This one's now not connected.
The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between facilities. It will automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility are bridged.
Hey, there Alison, howdy. Reach. I'm not getting this. Construction. What? Transport cargo from conveyor belts into facilities or between facilities. Ah, okay, okay. So, probably to do it like this then. From here to there. Ah, oh. No power. No power. Let's build a power here. Lack of item. Ooh, are we out of power? So we're using way more than we actually produce. Not enough. Ooh, this is bad. Let's grab these. We obviously need to grab copper as well. But hey, Alison, how's your day going? Let's grab this. We should be able to build a power. Produce one, please. Okay. I should probably produce two. Oopsie. Yeah, or a few more. So we should have the power now. We do have one power plant. Let's plop it down. Too close to another wind turbine. Oh, interesting. Okay, we can plop it down here then. Boink. Okay, so this should make us enough power. Oh, Jesus Christ, we still need more. I'm gonna build a power plant here then as well. Okay, now we should have sufficient power now. Power load 96%. What the heck is going on here? Do we have to connect it? It's connected. Consumption demand going up and down like crazy. You know what? It might be because these things are using up a lot of power. So they don't use power constantly. Lack of material. Aha, alright then. We're gonna set up another line. Another line. Do we need like... Where are we again out of power? Jeez Louise. Yeah, we need more power plants. We need more power plants, boys. Let's go for it. Let's set up more power plants then. Where should I plop another one down? Let's say here. And we are gonna build another one there. Okay, is this enough now? We can still get more resources into the smelters. I guess they are full now. Yeah, we can actually send more resources in. Okay, let's set that up then. So from here moving to there, we're gonna extend this conveyor belt by 1 and oh, probably out of copper ore. We're not out of copper. Build 10 of these then, please. Plop you at. So is this like fully utilized now? I guess not. We can bring even more stuff in. Can bring even more resources in. Let's check out. So this one is already more or less constantly mining. Okay, let's extend these two. Oopsie. Let's say that way. Just want to see how this is gonna work out. It's an interesting concept. Okay, now they're fully utilized. So I guess 4 lines, or actually even 3 lines is enough. Yeah, 3 lines is enough, but you can get more. Probably you can upgrade these things. We need to get power, so we'll burn some leaves. Actually, let's put this in and then the leaves. Silicon ore. Okay, let's go for the next thing in research. Electromagnetic matrix. Ah, that's what we need. So we need magnetic coils and circuit boards. Magnetic coils and circuit boards. We need 10 of these and we need 10 of these. Now my guess is that we should set this up for copper plates as well. Oh boy, I already like this game. Smelter, not enough items. Yeah, okay, buildings, smelter. We're gonna set up 2 smelters. 2 smelters. We're gonna set up, let's say 2 storages. We'll need way more power to do that. So we'll set up, let's say 10 turbines. Now I guess bot is using up power to produce this thing. HP 1500, core cap. Ooh, okay. Move speed, core power generation, fuel power generation. Okay. You have unlocked the matrix lab, or rather the central brain connector, and you will use it to upload the matrices to the central brain to obtain technology. Okay. We're on it, we're on it. So we probably have to build this one up. We'll say produce 1. Okay, we do have 2 smelters now, so let's do this. We're gonna build 1 smelter here and 1 smelter next to it. We'll put power there. Oops. Oh, we still don't have it. Okay, we'll soon have it. Let's go pick up a few more things while we're at it. Man, this game can become massive. Building up production lines over different planets, moving resources between planets and between star systems actually. I wonder how big of a project the Dyson Sphere is. Oops. Okay, did we produce everything we wanted to produce? Not yet. And I like how the menus actually stay pinned. We'll have a lot of biomass. Do we have storage? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna set up storage. Okay, pick this up as well. I'm gonna set up storage for those thingies that we are actually producing already. So, the research center, what do we need here? We need basic assembling process. So, this is gonna unlock us assembling machine Mark 1. The basic assembler can process iron and copper ingot into more advanced products. Aha, but the speed will be slightly slower. Well, 10-10. Then, if I got this one right, I did. Okay, let's go and set up this production now. So, a belt. I'm gonna start with a belt. Angle to Y. Up one level. Holy crap. Oh, down one level. Why cannot I build this now? Oh boy, what's wrong here now? Oh, please look. Choose starting position. Ah, okay. There's something wrong with the angle. Lack of item. Ah! Okay. Oh, basic assembling process. Let's build... $30 of these. We'll build 10 of these. We should be fine then. Okay, we'll put this down. We'll need power plants. Let's say we'll plop a power plant there. Disconnected. Awesome. You go and produce... Okay. You go and produce copper plates. We're gonna send resources in. Okay. Hey, things are already working. Now let's see how much power are we using. Seems like it would be a good idea if we plop down another power plant. So it's gonna do it. Let's do that. Where the heck are you? Okay. That filter. Ooh. Give me a second here. Let's plop more wood inside. This, I guess. There's no power here. Alrighty then, let's build another power plant then. Hopefully this is gonna work. Seems to be working now. Okay, so 3 inputs should be enough. Now what we're gonna do is we'll build a storage. Let's say we'll build a storage there. And we're gonna build
storage, which can be used to store cargo. You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo.
Can we do it like this? Ah! No. Dismantle this, please. Why is it? Oh, it's the grid. Interesting. We'll see if this works. So now let's see if we can get this out. So let's say oh hell yeah. Gonna get another sorter to load this in. Ooh. This is going fast, boys. This is going real freaking fast. We could probably store this faster though. There's 3 inputs and 2 outputs, so we should eventually empty this. We'll see. I'll also set another, the same thing up here. We could take this down, to be honest, so let's dismantle this part. Okay. Let's place down a storage here as well. Let's place it here, for example. Gonna jump. Set this thing up. Ooh. Okay, you'll go around. Like this. And we'll get you from there. Two outputs should be enough. I'll put 3 inputs. Are we out?
You can now click the planet thumbnail button in the lower left corner of the screen, or press the M key to try the planet view mode.
M key?
In the planet view mode, you can hold down the middle mouse button drag, rotate the angle of view, and hold down the right mouse button, drag to roll the angle of view. Press N key to point to the front to the North Pole.
Ah, okay, this is the North Pole then.
In the planet view mode, slide the mouse wheel to enter the star map mode.
Ooh. Oh, check this out. Oh, so we are actually on a moon, not even on a planet. Planet ice giant, unreachable, require drive engine 2. Aha, okay. Oh wow, check this out. check the scope of this thing, guys. Okay. Oops. So we have the basic production up. Let's see what's the next thing we can do for research. So fluid storage encapsulation, high efficiency plasma control. What does this thing do? Unlocked. Prism, plasma exciter, wireless power tower. Ooh. Ooh, boy, this sounds interesting. So we need research for that. We need research for this as well. Electromagnetic drive, more research. So our first goal from now on is gonna be research. Improve logistics systems, research. Thermal power. Ooh, research. Okay. Let's see. We could, yeah. Inventory capacity. So we have to start producing research. Why do I keep moving this thing around? Let's go. Where's our boat at? Oh, okay. Let's take these and these down. We should produce our first assembly machine. Let's see what this does. So our first assembly machine, I'll put it down here. Select the recipe. So what can we produce? Okay, gears, magnetic coils. Oh, by the way, do we have a matrix lab? I am pretty sure I built one. Okay, I built two. So what does this thing use? Glass. How can we produce glass? So steel plates, glass, electronics. Okay, let's produce electronics here because we can put in both ingredients. Okay. You can actually produce buildings as well, so it's the same thing as Factorio. Circuit builds. Alrighty then. Let's connect you up. How are we gonna do this? Let's say we'll bring copper down this line. And let's say we are gonna bring iron down this line. Like that. Do we know how much power this thing uses? No idea. So let's plop down another power plant. I still have 7. We're gonna put the power plant there. Connectors, we need more. More, guys. Okay, connectors. Let's build 10 of them. We'll probably need more conveyor belts. What else will we need? At least 2 more assembly machines. We'll produce 5. But we need more gears and we need more circuit boards. Alright then, let's grab 100 iron plates and 100 copper plates. Now, while our boat is producing this thingies, ooh, it's gonna take a while. But okay, it seems like our first circuit factory is up. Okay, come on. So let's start sending plates down the conveyor belt, and let's send the copper plates down the conveyor belt. Feed them in. I'm gonna try with one so I see how much production. I mean, I would like to see how math behind the production lines work. Now, power seems to be an issue. Ooh, yeah, we're using just a bit more than we produce. So, let's get down another power plant, boys. Yeah, we can build them here, actually. There. We'll plop another one there. You cannot build them too close together, so that's kinda meh. Come on. Okay, we should have sufficient power now. So, let's see. We can produce 20 circuit boards components. I'm pretty sure we'll need more than just one circuit board thingy. So let's build another factory for that. We are also gonna have to send this out, so I'm gonna try to double this thing. But just to remind you, it's the first time I'm playing the game, and it has its own mechanics. Let's put 2 in here for this factory. Did you connect? Lack of item. Oh, god damn it. Produce 20. Produce 30, why not? Okay. Pop you in. Power. Let's place down power plant. Oh, it's not gonna connect. Well, damn it. What about this thing? This will... Yeah, it will connect. Okay, so it's actually it's a power pole. So Tesla Tower is a power pole. Wind turbine is a wind turbine. Pretty easy. Pretty easy to understand. Okay, let's grab this. So one input is enough. Actually, not. Circuits. Let's see. Seems like we need more iron ingots. Yeah, 2 iron ingots. Okay, so we actually have to get more iron in. Oh, come on. Okay, so we are producing circuit boards now. Just a second, what's our choice of research? Fluid storage... No. Oh, actually, we have to start producing research points now. Yeah, there's nothing else we can research with just the resources. Alrighty then. So let's plop down a matrix lab.